Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey into the twilight, a place where myth and reality flutter side by side beneath the moonlit sky. Today, we embark on an exploration of one of nature's most fascinating and often misunderstood creatures, the bat. Their silhouettes may haunt our stories, yet their true nature is far more wondrous than legend suggests. For centuries, bats have been shrouded in mystery, their nightly flights inspiring both awe and apprehension. But these remarkable animals are so much more than fleeting shadows. They are masters of the night, architects of ecosystems, and as you'll soon discover, possess abilities that seem almost magical. In this video, I'll reveal 10 astonishing facts about bats, each one unveiling a new layer of their secret lives. So, settle in as we unravel the truth behind these extraordinary denizens of the dusk. Among all mammals, only bats have unlocked the ancient secret of true flight. Unlike birds, whose wings are composed of feathers stretched along rigid bones, a bat's wing is a marvel of evolutionary design. A flexible membrane of skin, delicately stretched between elongated finger bones. This unique structure allows bats to twist, turn, and swoop with breathtaking agility, making them the undisputed acrobats of the night. Their wings are living, sensitive tools, capable of detecting even the slightest change in air pressure, adapting instantly to shifts in wind or obstacles. Bats are not a singular entity, but a vast tapestry woven across the globe, boasting more than 1,400 distinct species. From the tiny, delicate bumblebee bat of Thailand to the majestic flying foxes of the South Pacific, bats have colonized nearly every corner of our planet, each adapting to their unique environments in spectacular ways. This extraordinary diversity allows bats to fill a multitude of roles in nature. Imagine a single bat, weaving silently through the night, consuming up to 1,200 mosquitoes in just 1 hour. This is no exaggeration. Bats are among the most effective natural pest controllers on Earth. Their nightly feasts help keep insect populations in check, protecting crops and reducing the spread of disease. For farmers and city dwellers alike, bats are silent allies. In North America alone, it's estimated that bats save billions of dollars each year in pest control costs. In the impenetrable darkness where even the keenest eyes fail, bats employ a remarkable adaptation: echolocation. By emitting high-frequency calls and listening for the echoes that bounce back from objects, bats construct a detailed auditory map of their surroundings, allowing them to hunt and navigate with astonishing precision. This auditory sense is so refined that bats can locate objects as thin as a human hair in total darkness. Hidden within the limestone caves of Thailand and Myanmar lives the bumblebee bat, the smallest mammal on Earth. Weighing less than a penny and measuring just over an inch in length, this diminutive bat is a marvel of miniaturization, its entire body fitting comfortably on a human fingertip. Despite its tiny size, the bumblebee bat is perfectly adapted to its environment. It flits through the forest with surprising speed, feeding on insects that would be invisible to larger predators. While some bats feast on insects, others play a critical role as pollinators and seed dispersers. Fruit bats, also known as flying foxes, travel great distances in search of nectar and ripe fruit, unwittingly carrying pollen from flower to flower and seeds across vast landscapes. In many tropical regions, bats are the primary pollinators for plants that bloom at night, such as the agave, which gives us tequila, and the iconic baobab tree. Perhaps no bat inspires more fear and fascination than the vampire bat. Yet the reality is far less sinister than legend suggests. Of the world's 1,400 species, only 3 feed on blood, and all are found in Central and South America. Contrary to myth, vampire bats do not drain their victims dry. Instead, they lap up small amounts of blood, rarely causing harm. Interestingly, their saliva contains a powerful anticoagulant, so effective in fact, that it has inspired medical treatments for stroke and heart attack in humans. When we consider the fleeting lives of most small mammals, it is surprising to learn that bats can live for over 30 years. Some species, such as the Brandt's bat, have even been recorded living up to 41 years, a remarkable feat for a creature that weighs less than a coin. Scientists believe this longevity is linked to unique genetic adaptations that protect bats from diseases and the ravages of aging. Their efficient metabolism, robust immune systems, and low rates of cancer are currently the subject of intense research, offering hope for breakthroughs in human health and longevity. As the cold winds of winter approach, bats face a critical challenge: survival in a world where insects disappear and temperatures plummet. Some species respond by entering a state of hibernation, slowing their heart rates and dropping their body temperatures to conserve energy. Other bats undertake incredible migrations, traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles to find food and suitable roosts. Their journeys rival those of birds, crossing vast landscapes and braving harsh weather in search of sustenance. Whether through hibernation or migration, bats demonstrate an extraordinary ability to adapt to the changing seasons. Perhaps the most persistent myth about bats is that they are blind. In truth, most bats have excellent night vision, perfectly adapted to the low-light conditions of their nocturnal world. Many species can see in dim light far better than humans, using their vision in tandem with echolocation to navigate and hunt. Some fruit bats, in particular, possess large, sensitive eyes that allow them to spot ripe fruit or blooming flowers from great distances. Even insect-eating bats, which rely heavily on echolocation, use their eyesight to avoid predators and orient themselves in unfamiliar territory. By dispelling the myth of blindness, we can better appreciate the finely tuned sensory abilities that make bats so successful. They are not creatures of darkness, but masters of the twilight, equipped with every tool needed to thrive in a world beyond our sight. As our journey through the world of bats draws to a close, I invite you to reflect on the many wonders we've uncovered. From their unrivaled mastery of the night sky to their vital roles as pollinators, pest controllers, and even medical inspirations, bats are among the most extraordinary creatures on our planet. I encourage you to share your favorite bat fact in the comments below. Which of these remarkable abilities surprised you the most? And if you enjoyed exploring the world of bats, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Quest for more amazing animal facts and adventures. Thank you for joining me on this nocturnal adventure. Until next time, may you look to the night sky with new admiration for the silent wings that shape our world.